The ultimate mass stars. Trust you're doing great. Today we'll be looking at operations with other bases. Yesterday we looked at operation with binary numbers, that is with base 2 numbers. So today we'll be looking at operations with other bases, that is other than base 2. So quickly we have this. Simplify A 212 base 3 plus 112 base 3. B 472 base 9 minus 58 base 9. And then C 3241 base 6 plus 153 base 6. So let's take the A part. I have 212 base 3 plus 112 base 3. So we'll add 2 plus 2 is actually 4. But we can't write the 4 here. We can't write the 4 because the highest digit in any number base should be 1 less than the number base. The highest digit in base 3 is actually 2. So 2 plus 2 is 4. 4 is more than 2. So we can't write 4. So you divide it by the base, which is actually 3. 4 divided by 3 is 1 remainder 1. So we write this remainder 1. You write this one, then carry this one here. 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 3. We can't write the 3 here because the highest digit in base 3 should be 2. So you still divide it again by the number base. 3 divided by 3 is actually 1 remainder 0. So we write down this 0 and then carry this one here. 1 plus 2 plus 1 gives 4 again. We can't write the 4. You divide it by the number base. 4 divided by 3 is 1 remainder 1. We write this remainder here. So since there is nothing else to add, this other one, you bring it here. So our answer becomes 1101 base 3. So the B part, I have 472 base 9 minus 58 base 9. Now actually, what we could have done if you have something like this is to change this number in base 9 to base 10, change this one to base 10, then you subtract it. If you subtract it, then your answer, you take it back to base 9. But this is like an alternate and a shorter way of doing it. Once the base are the same, you can just go with this method. Now, 2 minus 8 is not possible. So you borrow 1 from here, remaining 6. Now, when you borrow 1 from here, you know, if it is normal subtraction of number, you attach the 1 here, but you don't do that. When you borrow 1, anything you borrow is equivalent to the number base. So since this is base 9, if you borrow 1 here, that 1 is equal to 9. If here is base 5, that 1 you borrow is 5. If it is base 6, that 1 you borrow becomes what? 6. So since both of them are in base 9, if you borrow 1 from here, that 1 is actually 9 because both of them are in base 9. So you add 2 here. 9 plus 2 gives us 11. 9 plus 2 is 11. Then you can now say 11 minus 8. And 11 minus 8 gives us what? 3. Now, here, 6 minus 5 can go. So it's 1, and then you bring down 4. So we have 413 base 9. So the C part, I have 3241 base 6 plus, if you're arranging it, you must still arrange it based on the place value. 3 here, 5, then 1 base 6. So we add 1 plus 3 is actually 4. So it's not up to the highest digit in base. Can we remember the highest digit in base 6? The highest digit in base 6 should be what? 5. The highest digit in base 6 should be what? 5. So 1 plus 3 is not up to 5. You can write it is 4. 4 plus 5 is 9. So it has passed the highest digit. You can't write the 9 there. You say 9 divided by 6. And 9 divided by 6 is going to give us 1 remainder 3. So write down the remainder 3 here. Then take this one here. 2 plus 1 plus 1 is 4. It's not up to the highest digit. You can write the 4 and then you bring it down. So our answer is 3434 base 6. Wow, what a unique number. 3434. Now, if you want to be very sure, do you know that if you subtract this from this, you have this? So can we quickly do it? Or you subtract this from this, you have this. Okay, let's do this minus this. Let's do 3, 4, 3, 4, base 6 minus 3, 2, 4, 1, base 6. So let's go. 4 minus 1 is what? Is 3. Bring down your 3. 3 minus 4 is not possible. You borrow 1 from here, remaining 3. Remember, it is in base 6. So when you borrow 1, you are not attached, whatever you are borrowing is equivalent to the number base. So since this is in base 6, that one you borrow is actually 6. So you add it to whatever that is here. So 6 plus 3 gives us 9. And then 9 minus 4 gives us 5. Borrow 1 from here, remaining 3. That one you borrow because it's in base 6 is actually 6. 6 plus 3. 6 plus this 3 here is 9. 9 minus 4 is 5. Now 3 minus 2 is actually 1. And 3 minus 3 is what? Is 0. So you could see that we've gotten 153, which is the same thing as what we have here. So this is how we simplify other bases. So just follow these simple rules, and I believe that there's no any question under number base that you cannot solve. There is no any single question under number base that you cannot solve. Thank you very much and stay blessed.